Engines fail, cars stall, and the last thing you want is to be stranded miles from help. Here are 11 symptoms of a bad fuel pump you must know. Every single one could save your car, your wallet, and your sanity. Some signs are subtle, others scream danger. Watch closely because you don't want your car showing the final symptom, the one that can leave you completely dead on the road. Let's jump right in. Symptom number 11, engine sputtering at high speeds. Have you ever been driving on the highway and suddenly felt your car sputter or shake for a moment? That jerky feeling, especially when you're pushing the car at higher speeds, can be a warning sign. Your engine might feel like it loses power for a second, then suddenly picks back up. This usually happens because your fuel pump is struggling to deliver a steady flow of fuel. At high speeds, your engine needs a lot of fuel to keep running strong. If the pump can't keep up, the engine doesn't get enough, and you feel that sputtering. It's easy to ignore at first. You might think it's a hiccup or a small engine glitch. But over time, sputtering can happen more often, even during normal driving. Ignoring it can put extra stress on the engine and lead to bigger problems down the road. One tricky thing is that these signs don't always happen when the car is idle or moving slowly. So if you only notice it on the highway, that doesn't mean it's safe to ignore. Sometimes the problem hides until the car is asked to work harder, and that's when you really notice it. Because when your engine starts struggling under pressure, there's usually more than one sign that something is off, and it can get worse if left unchecked. Symptom number 10, car surging or jerking. Have you ever been driving and felt your car suddenly lurch forward or jerk for no reason? Maybe you weren't even pressing the gas pedal, but the car seemed to surge on its own. This can be more than just a fluke. It's often a sign that your fuel pump isn't working right. A fuel pump's job is to deliver a steady flow of fuel to your engine. When it starts failing, the pressure can spike or drop suddenly. That uneven fuel flow makes your car act like it has a mind of its own. One second it's smooth, the next it jerks forward unexpectedly. This problem is tricky because it can happen randomly, sometimes on city streets, sometimes on the highway. It can feel dangerous, especially when you're trying to keep a steady speed in traffic. Over time, these surges can put stress on your engine and transmission, leading to even bigger problems. If you've noticed this jerking, it's a warning you shouldn't ignore. Fuel delivery issues often don't stop at just one symptom. In fact, when your engine starts reacting unpredictably like this, it usually comes with other signs that something is struggling to keep your car running right. Symptom number 9, hard starting or failing to start. Sometimes you turn the key, the engine cranks, but nothing happens. Other times it takes a few tries before your car finally starts. This can be a clear sign that your fuel pump is struggling to deliver enough fuel. The pump's job is to push fuel from the tank to the engine. If it's weak or failing, the engine may not get enough fuel to ignite right away. That's why your car might start inconsistently or feel stubborn in the mornings. You might notice that after sitting for a while, the car takes longer to start, or it sputters briefly before firing up. Over time, this strain can affect other parts like the battery and starter motor, making the problem even bigger. Hard starting is one of those problems that rarely fixes itself. When the engine is fighting just to turn over, it's usually a sign that other performance issues could be right around the corner. And when your car starts struggling to even get going, it often shows itself in ways you feel while driving, not just when you're trying to start it. Symptom number 8, loss of power under load. Now, this is one of the signs that really tells you something's wrong with the fuel pump. You might notice it when climbing a hill, merging onto the highway, or carrying heavy weight in your car. The engine suddenly feels weak, like it can't push the car forward even though you're pressing the gas normally. This happens because the fuel pump can't keep up with the engine's demand. Under normal driving, the pump might manage okay, but when the engine needs extra fuel, it struggles. The result? You feel your car losing power exactly when you need it most. It's easy to confuse this with other problems, like the transmission or spark plugs. But if the issue shows up only when the car is under load, the fuel pump should be high on your list of suspects. Ignoring it can make driving unsafe. Losing power on a hill or during a pass can catch you off guard and create dangerous situations. And here's the tricky part. When your engine starts showing weakness under stress, it often doesn't stop there. Other symptoms can appear even when the car seems to be running fine at first, so you'll want to pay attention to what comes next. Symptom number 7, engine stalling at random. One of the scariest signs of a failing fuel pump is when your car just stalls out of nowhere. You could be stopped at a light, cruising on the highway, or even idling in traffic, and suddenly the engine dies for no reason. This happens because the fuel pump isn't sending a steady flow of fuel to the engine. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, which makes the engine cut out unexpectedly. It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. Losing power in the middle of traffic or on a busy road can put you and others at risk. Often, stalling happens intermittently at first. Your car might run fine 1 minute and then stall the next. That inconsistency can make it hard to pinpoint the problem, but a failing fuel pump is a common culprit. If you notice these random stalls, don't ignore them. They're your car's way of saying something is seriously off with fuel delivery. And usually, when stalling starts to appear, it's not the only symptom. Other signs of fuel problems can start showing up too, affecting how the car starts, accelerates, and even how it feels on the road. Symptom number 6, decreased fuel efficiency. If you've noticed your car needing more fuel than usual, it could be your fuel pump acting up. A failing pump doesn't always stop the engine from running, but it can make the engine work harder than it should. That extra work often burns more gas, lowering your miles per gallon. This drop in fuel efficiency can sneak up on you. 1 month you're filling up like normal, and the next your tank seems empty much faster. It's easy to blame driving habits or traffic, but if nothing else has changed, the fuel pump might be the problem. When the pump can't maintain consistent pressure, the engine doesn't get the fuel it needs efficiently. That means the combustion process isn't smooth, and your car ends up wasting fuel. Over time, this can add up, costing you more at the pump and putting stress on your engine. Pay attention to your fuel gauge and your trips to the gas station. Decreased efficiency is a subtle sign, but it's often one of the first warnings that something in the fuel system is off. And when your engine starts using more fuel than it should, it usually comes with other noisy or performance-related signs that you'll start to notice soon. Symptom number 5, whining noise from the fuel tank. Sometimes your car can talk to you if you know what to listen for. One sign of a failing fuel pump is a high-pitched whining or humming sound coming from near the fuel tank. It's subtle at first, but as the pump wears, the noise can get louder or more constant. This sound usually means the pump's internal components are starting to fail. Bearings wear down, or the motor struggles to push fuel properly. When the pump has to work harder, the whining becomes noticeable, especially when the car is running or right after you turn the key. It's easy to ignore if you're not paying attention, but this noise is like an early warning. Ignoring it can lead to bigger problems like inconsistent fuel flow or even stalling while driving. If you hear that whining, it's a good idea to check fuel pressure or have a mechanic take a look before it gets worse. The thing with fuel pump issues is that once one symptom shows up, others usually follow, often affecting how the car drives, starts, or responds under load. Symptom number 4, engine misfires. Have you ever felt your car jerk or skip while accelerating or even idling? That's an engine misfire, and it can be caused by a fuel pump that isn't delivering fuel consistently. When the engine doesn't get the right amount of fuel at the right time, combustion isn't smooth, and the car reacts with a noticeable jerk or hesitation. Misfires can happen occasionally at first, but they tend to get worse over time. You might notice them when you step on the gas, climb a hill, or even while driving normally. Along with a misfire, the engine might sound rough or uneven. This is a warning sign you shouldn't ignore. Misfires put extra stress on the engine and other components, and if the fuel pump continues to fail, the problem will only get more serious. Often, misfires don't appear alone. They're part of a cluster of fuel delivery issues. When your car starts reacting unpredictably like this, it's usually a hint that more symptoms are on the way, including problems that can affect whether your car starts or keeps running. Symptom number 3, check engine light. Sometimes your car gives you a warning without any strange sounds or jerks, the check engine light. If this light comes on unexpectedly, it can signal a variety of issues, and a failing fuel pump is one of them. A fuel pump that isn't supplying the engine consistently can trigger fuel pressure-related codes in your car's computer. You might see codes like P0087 or P0230, which point to low fuel pressure or pump problems. Even if the car seems to drive normally, the light shouldn't be ignored. The tricky part is that the check engine light can come on intermittently, just like a weak fuel pump can work sometimes and fail at other times. You may drive for days without noticing anything unusual. Then the light suddenly pops up. That's your car's way of saying something is off and needs attention. Paying attention to this early warning can save you from getting stranded or causing further damage to your engine. Often when this light appears, it's just the beginning. Other signs like starting trouble or stalling tend to follow soon after. Symptom number 2, vehicle won't start after refueling. This one might sound strange, but sometimes your car refuses to start right after you fill up the tank. You turn the key, the engine cranks, and nothing. No hesitation, no sputter, just silence. This can happen because a fuel pump that's already on its last legs can struggle with sudden changes in fuel pressure. When you add a full tank, the pump has to adjust quickly to push all that fuel into the system. If it can't keep up, the engine won't get what it needs to start. It doesn't happen every time, which makes it confusing. One day the car starts fine after fueling, and the next day it refuses. That unpredictability is a big warning sign. Ignoring it can leave you stranded, sometimes in inconvenient or unsafe places. When a fuel pump starts failing this dramatically, it's a strong hint that complete failure is close. Other minor symptoms you may have noticed before, like stalling, misfires, or strange noises, are now escalating, and the car is showing its last warning before it stops running entirely. Symptom number 1. Car completely dies or won't run. This is the symptom every driver fears. Your car won't start at all, or it dies while driving and refuses to come back to life. At this point, the fuel pump has completely failed, and the engine isn't getting any fuel. No turning the key, no cranking, just silence. A complete fuel pump failure can happen suddenly or after days of warning signs. Earlier symptoms like sputtering, jerking, stalling, or decreased fuel efficiency were all hints that the pump was struggling. Ignoring them can leave you stranded on the side of the road, sometimes in the worst possible situations. When this happens, your only option is a fuel pump replacement before the car will run again. Trying to push the car or repeatedly crank it won't help. It can even damage other parts of the engine or starter motor. This final stage is a reminder of how important it is to pay attention to early warning signs. A failing fuel pump isn't something that fixes itself. Catching it before it reaches this point can save time, money, and a lot of stress. After all, preventing a total breakdown is always better than dealing with one on the side of the road. If these fuel pump tips helped, like, share, and subscribe for more car advice. Don't stop here. Check out the videos below to learn more ways to keep your car running strong.